Welcome back to Thirsty Thursdays. If you've been following us, you know we love a cocktail that pushes boundaries. Today, we are diving into a unique cocktail with an even more unique name. It's the Damn It Jimmy cocktail. This cocktail has the spirit-forward punch of a martini, but it uses ingredients you would never expect to see together. The name might be casual, but its flavor is one of the most delicately complex you will ever taste. It combines the umami smoothness of sake with the light tropical brightness of rum. It's a savory, lightly sweet, and elegantly poised cocktail. Let's trace the bizarre history of its name and build this legend. The Damn It Jimmy was created by Simon Difford, the man behind the renowned Difford's Guide. He created this cocktail back in August of 2008. The story of its naming is one of the best in modern cocktail history. Difford was creating the recipe while listening to music. When the track ended, one of the artists exclaimed, "Damn it, Jimmy!" He loved the phrase and interpreted it as the artist praising the music. Difford immediately knew he had found the perfect name for his new invention. The only problem? He never recorded the name of the artist or the song he was listening to. For 16 long years, the mystery of the name's origin persisted. Difford often asked his readers, "Do you know it?" Finally, in 2024, a discerning drinker named Toby James solved the puzzle. Toby James tracked the source down to a song called Another Day Revised by the band The Album Leaf.
Damn it, Jimmy. Le son de diarrhée, laisse-moi.
This is why we love the online cocktail community. Difford finally received closure, proving that sometimes the best stories take years to fully unfold. Now let's look at the DNA of this uniquely balanced cocktail. It falls into the classic stirred category, meaning that it's all spirit and flavor modifiers. The beauty is in the delicate equal part marriage of two wildly different spirits. We are pairing the subtle rice character of Japanese sake with a light charcoal filtered rum. This is East meets West, creating a base that is light, clean, and surprisingly robust. And the flavor modifiers are just as interesting. We are using both Fino sherry and dry vermouth. Together, they layer the cocktail with herbal, savory, and faintly salty notes. This combination is what gives the cocktail its signature complex profile. Let's build the Damn It Jimmy. Because this is an all-spirit cocktail, we are not shaking it. We are using our trusty mixing glass and stirring. We're gonna start with our base, 1.5 ounces of our sake. We're gonna be using the Junmai Daiginjo Genshu sake chilled, and an equal 1.5 ounces of our light rum. Remember, quality matters here, especially with two clean base spirits. Next are modifiers, added in small amounts to maintain balance. We need 1/4 ounce of Fino sherry, also chilled. This adds a beautiful, dry, slightly saline complexity. Then 1/4 ounce of a quality dry vermouth. This provides the classic herbal bitterness expected in a stirred cocktail. And finally, to soften the edges just slightly, a barspoon of our rich Liber Co classic gum syrup. Now it's time to add some ice to our mixing glass. And now we're gonna stir until everything is perfectly chilled and diluted. Oh, you can just smell it. It is, decadent. I'm really getting the sherry and obviously the sake. Next, we're gonna fine strain this mixture into a martini glass. This cocktail is garnished with a skewered blue cheese stuffed olive. The complex notes of blue cheese are not in the drink, but in the aroma and the flavor you get when you sip next to the garnish. The faintly salty and savory notes in the cocktail suddenly will start to make perfect sense. And there you have it, the Damn It Jimmy. Let's try it. Oh yeah, this definitely packs a punch. The finish on this has no comparison. Now let's talk about who this unconventional cocktail is for. Damn it, Jimmy, who are you for? Now this is for the Martini and Manhattan purists who think they've tried it all. If you love savory cocktails like a Bloody Mary or a Dirty Martini, this will be your new obsession. The blue cheese olive is your gateway to a flavor combination that is rarely seen. If you want a conversation starter that tastes even better than it sounds, this is the one. And damn it, Jimmy, who are you not for? This is a spirit-forward cocktail. So if you only enjoy long, light, fizzy cocktails, this is probably too boozy for you. Crucially, if you can't stand sherry, dry vermouth, or a savory garnish, you'll be missing the point. The complex interplay of these ingredients is the entire story of this recipe. This cocktail delivers on its promise of tension, balance, and poise. It's truly a wonderful addition to modern mixology. That's it for this Thirsty Thursdays. We hope you enjoyed diving into the surprising history of the Damn It Jimmy. You can find the full ingredient list and the step-by-step instructions in the pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. It helps us bring you more stories and history every week. Subscribe to join us next time for another classic we know you'll love. Until next time, stay thirsty, my friends. Cheers.